Today we're tackling one of the biggest debates in the productivity space, a question that gets asked year after year, Notion versus Evernote. But we're looking forward. We're asking which one of these titans is actually worth your time, energy, and money in 2025. This isn't just another feature list. We're breaking down the core differences in interface, note-taking, organization, task management, collaboration, templates, mobile use, and of course the 2025 pricing. I've also dropped a ton of free resources and templates for both platforms in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Stick with me to the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your workflow. No matter if you're a student, creator, or professional team, you won't be left wondering, you'll have a clear answer. First, let's get a quick mental model of what these tools actually are. Think of Notion as an all-in-one digital workspace. It's like a set of Lego bricks. You get a blank canvas and a powerful set of tools to build literally anything you want, from a simple to-do list to a complex company wiki. It's infinitely flexible and customizable. On the other hand, Evernote is the original digital second brain. It's a fast, traditional, and incredibly reliable note-taking app. Its primary goal is to help you capture information, any information, quickly, and find it later. It's less about building and more about storing and retrieving. So the simplest summary is this: Notion is a buildable workspace where you create systems from the ground up. Evernote is a fast capture digital notebook that works perfectly right out of the box. With that foundation set, let's put them head to head. We'll start with the very first thing you'll encounter, the interface, and it is easy to use. This is where the two platforms declare their philosophies loud and clear. When you open Notion for the first time, you're greeted with a minimalist, clean, and somewhat empty page. This is both its greatest strength and its steepest learning curve. It's designed for you to start typing and building with its block-based system. But for a true beginner, it can feel intimidating. Where do you start? What do you build? It empowers builders but can paralyze newcomers. In stark contrast, Evernote feels immediately familiar. Its interface is built on a straightforward folder-style layout. You have notebooks, which are like physical binders, and inside them you have notes. It's a digital version of a filing cabinet that most people intuitively understand. There's almost no learning curve to start capturing ideas. So the verdict here is a classic trade-off: simplicity versus flexibility. If you're a beginner who just wants to start taking notes immediately, Evernote is the clear winner. If you're a builder who gets excited by the idea of a blank canvas to craft your perfect system, Notion is calling your name. Want to test both layouts for yourself? I've linked free dashboard starters for both in the description. Now, let's dive into the core function of both apps, note-taking itself. Notion's approach is built around its famous block-based system. Everything on a Notion page is a block: a piece of text, an image, a checklist, a database, a video embed. This gives you unparalleled structure and flexibility. You can create rich, layered notes with headings, toggles to hide information, columns, and callout boxes. It's ideal for in-depth structured notes like meeting minutes, research summaries, or course outlines where context and hierarchy are key. Evernote, however, shines in its role as a quick capture tool. Its strength lies in getting information into the app as frictionlessly as possible. You can forward emails directly into a notebook, use its best-in-class web clipper to save articles cleanly, and scan physical documents with your phone's camera, making the text inside them fully searchable. It's the perfect tool for capturing those fleeting ideas, saving receipts, or clipping web pages for a research project. So for note-taking features, the ideal scenario for Notion is when you're sitting down to create detailed, interconnected notes. The ideal scenario for Evernote is when you're on the go and need to capture an idea or a piece of data right now without a second thought. Once you have all those notes, you need to organize them. This is another area of major philosophical difference. Notion's organization is multidimensional and visual. You organize by creating pages and nesting subpages within them, creating a tree-like structure. But its true power comes from databases. You can create a master database of all your notes and then use linked views, filters, and sorts to display that information in countless ways, as a table, a gallery, a list, or a calendar. You can relate notes to projects and projects to goals. It's an infinitely customizable system. Evernote's organization is more traditional, but incredibly powerful in its own right. You have notebooks and notebook stacks for broad categories. Then you use a robust tagging system to cross-reference your notes. The real hero of Evernote's organization is its search function. It's lightning fast and searches everything, including the text inside PDFs, documents, and even scanned images. Notion gives you infinite ways to organize. Evernote gives you one that works exceptionally well out of the box. Visual thinkers who like to see how information connects will prefer Notion. Text-first users who just want to find a note quickly will love Evernote's simplicity and powerful search. Let's talk about task management. For many users, it's a make-or-break feature. Notion clearly wins if you want an all-in-one solution. Its database feature lets you build advanced systems, Kanban boards, calendar and timeline views, recurring tasks, priority tags, status labels, and linked project pages. It can fully replace apps like Trello or Asana. Evernote's task system is simpler, basic checklists with reminders inside notes. Great for to-do lists or follow-ups, but not for managing large projects. If tasks are central to your workflow, Notion is the hands-down winner. I built my entire content system on it, and you can grab my free Notion task dashboard from the description. What about collaboration? Notion was built for it. You can share any page, set detailed permissions, and have real-time discussions. You can create team wikis, project hubs, and client portals. Evernote's collaboration is more limited, sharing notes or notebooks with basic interaction. It's fine for solo users who occasionally share, but Notion is better for teams, students, or creators managing workflows. Next, templates and use cases. Notion's massive community and creator economy give it a big edge. There's a huge template library, free and paid, for journaling, habit tracking, content calendars, finance dashboards, and more. Some even sell their Notion setups as digital products. Evernote has useful built-in templates for notes, plans, and calendars, but they're limited compared to Notion's versatility. With Notion, you can find solutions to niche problems. With Evernote, you adapt what's there. You can even turn your Notion workspace into a product. Link in the description. Now, mobile and device sync. This is where Evernote shines. Its mobile app is fast, polished, and great for quick capture. Notes, documents, voice memos, syncing flawlessly. Notion's mobile app has improved, but heavy pages or databases can feel clunky. Simple edits are fine, but navigating complex dashboards on small screens is tough. For mobile-first users, Evernote has the edge. If you're mostly desktop-based, Notion's mobile flaws might not matter. Let's talk pricing in 2025. Both offer free plans. Notion's free tier is generous, unlimited pages and blocks with limits on file uploads and guests. Evernote's free plan is more restrictive now, with capped notes and notebooks. Notion's Plus plan is about $10 per month and unlocks uploads and more guests. Evernote's personal plan is about $10.83 and unlocks its full feature set for one person. Evernote's professional is $14.17. Notion's business is $18 per user. Notion's free plan gives more value. Evernote's paid plan gives you the full app. Notion's paid plans are for scaling up. Both free links and any discounts are in the descriptions. So which is worth it in 2025? It depends on you. Choose Notion if you're a builder, someone who loves customizing dashboards and having notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. It's best for power users, teams, and creators selling digital systems. Choose Evernote if you're a fast thinker and archivist, someone who values speed, reliability, and effortless capture. It's perfect for mobile users who want a minimal setup digital cabinet. Notion is for the architect building a cathedral. Evernote is for the librarian with a perfect catalog. Neither is wrong. It's about matching the tool to your workflow. Alright, a quick recap. Interface. Notion is flexible but complex. Evernote is simple and familiar. Notes. Notion is for structured, deep notes. Evernote is for fast, frictionless capture. Organization. Notion has pages and databases. Evernote has notebooks, tags, and better search. Tasks. Notion offers full project systems. Evernote has checklists and reminders. Collaboration and templates. Notion wins. Mobile use. Evernote wins. Pricing. Notion's free plan has more value. Paid plans depend on your needs. All free tools, templates, and links are in the description. Now I want to hear from you. Based on this breakdown, which tool are you choosing for 2025 and why? Let me know in the comments below. I check every single one. If this video helped you make a decision, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into productivity tools. Until then, stay focused, stay organized, and stay in work mode.